All right, folks, this is your favorite uncle, Uncle P. And all right, so here's the deal. I want to address two things in this video. Number one is going to be the discounts, but of course, I want to talk about another issue that is needs to be addressed. So number one, I want to talk about the MT4, MT5 conversion. We are working on a conversion, or we actually are revamping our indicator catalog to be able to work on the MT5. And so I will give you guys a live update on that once that's ready. Like for an example, we have the ocean wave and it's ready, but it's not ready. I'll say it like that. We have a version of it, but it has glitches, which is why I haven't released it. So here's the deal. A lot of people say, well, should I wait for the MT4 or should I wait, should I go ahead with the MT4 or wait for the MT5? Well, to be honest with you, it's up to you. It's totally up to you. We don't have a deadline when it'll be ready because when you're coding, and some people out there, they know coding and stuff like that, but when you have to rebrand or redo all of the indicators and translate it from one language to another, that takes time. That takes a lot of time and resources because I have to hire two separate teams, and I got two teams working on each one of these individual indicators, so it's going to take time. So here's my point of view if it was me, okay? And then I'm going to tell you what I'm actually going to do for you as well. If it was me, and I need to make money now, I wouldn't wait for something that may happen in the future, okay? It will happen in the future, but when, we don't know. It could be, a couple of weeks from now, could be a couple of months from now. I don't know. It's not going to be a couple of months, of course, but we're trying to push as fast as we can. But, things happen. So what would I do? I would go ahead and get what I can, make some money, and then handle that issue down the road. Now, as a blessing for you, it will be, I will have to figure out what the cost is to redo these indicators, and then I will not sell it at a full price thing. I will actually, for current members, there will be some form of a major discount just to offset the cost that I have to incur because of these brokers. Okay. Cause this is not my fault that this is happening. This is due to the brokers. So therefore, if you have any issues with it, to be honest with you, don't put it on me. Go back to your broker who is actually causing this issue. I'm not the one causing the issue. It's your broker. Okay. Now, number two, as far as brokers, I know that, Henkel Trade and Osprey and Hugo's Way. Those are only three of the brokers that seem to have departed. But you got to remember, there are hundreds of brokers out there that still uses the MT4 platform. So you got plenty of opportunity. Just choose another broker that's still using the MT4 platform and go ahead and make your trades and make your money. And then when the complete conversion happens with all of them, by that time we'll be had everything together. And, you can go from there. You can pick up the other version for dirt cheap. And like I said, I'll keep it really reasonable. I'm not here to gouge you guys, but I do have to pay my staff. Of coders, and I have multiple coders all over the globe who's working on these projects. So I do have to feed their family. Okay. So I hope that addressed the concern. So again, I'll leave this decision up to you, whether you want this Christmas discount that you about to get, or if you want to wait, which by the way, if you wait, chances are there's not going to be a discount at that point. It's just going to be whatever. So again, if it was me, I would just go ahead and make my money now because as you can see, there's plenty of trading opportunities. You can double, triple accounts by the time the MT5 issue even comes around. But I do know some people, they just like to wait. So again, that will be your choice. All right. Hopefully that cleared it up. If that made sense to you, please leave a comment below so I can make sure that everybody's clear on my statement. And I can talk about it again on Wednesday just to make sure everybody's clear on where Uncle P stands. But again, this is not a problem that Uncle P created. So please don't blame me, my company, our indicators. We designed them for the platform that we designed them for. And there are tons of brokers out there that are still using it. So please don't make a big issue about it because your particular broker, Henkel Trade, Osprey, and Hugo's Way, those three brokers went and did something else when you got hundreds of brokers out there that you can go ahead and switch to and just keep the party moving. Okay. So please don't put it on me. All right. I'm trying to accommodate, but it's not my fault and it isn't your fault. So if anything, again, please go back to your broker and ask them to reimburse you for cost. Nobody ever does that. They blame everybody but the broker, and the broker is the person starting the problem. Go back to your broker, Any fees or anything that you incur, just ask your broker, please reimburse me because you were my broker and you chose to do this. Nobody asked you to do this. You chose to do it. So reimburse me. Okay. Everybody clear? Okay. Just to make sure we're all clear, in the comment below, leave a 10. Leave the number 10 so I can make sure everybody's clear, the air is clear, because I know that's been rumbling in the backgrounds. Well, why you still selling? Because that did come up. Why you still selling the MT4 if you know they're converting to the MT5? Yeah, because there's a lot of brokers out there, hundreds of them, still using the MT4, smart mouth. You go with 3 brokers, and now you want to come fussing like it's my fault. You got hundreds of brokers out there. Go with somebody else. Duh. Always somebody trying to be smart mouth. All right. So now let's get to something positive. Here's the positive. So for this holiday, actually, to be honest with you guys, I wasn't even going to run a special because for my wife's birthday, when we launched this, I ran discounts for almost the entire month. I said, you know what? As a company, we're not profitable when we're doing this. So let me chill on that because I already gave away all kinds of discounts, which totaled up to an unknown sum of money that the company didn't get because of discounts. But the problem is we're getting a bunch of emails from people all over the globe and our followers who are saying, please, 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 when are you going to have a discount? So I decided, all right, I'll go ahead and do it again. So here's what I'm going to do. If you go to oceanwavetrade.com, and I'm going to go through each one of these discounts, so please write these codes down. Please write the code down. Okay, so the first one is going to be, and I'll actually, you know what, I'll put it on the website. That's what I'll do. Once I get done with this video, I'll put it on there so you guys can see it. All right, so on oceanwave.com, if you want the Ocean Wave Trade System, my favorite baby, click right here to buy. And once you get down here to the discount code, simply put in the word, one word, blessing, and click there, and you'll get your $50 discount. See, and that's it. And so the $50 will be taken out, and you can see the discount is right there, okay? So just put in the word discount, all right? I'm sorry, put in the word blessing. And again, what I'll do is, I'll figure something out. But either way it goes, you have this video, whether I put it on the website or not. I'm tired, so probably not tonight, but we'll figure something out. But just put the word blessing, okay? That's all you have to do. Put the word blessing, and you get your discount. All right, let's go to Simplicity System, the original baby. All right, same thing. Oh, this is saying, oh, I'm already checked in. But when you get to the checkout box, just use the same word, blessing, okay? Oh, there it is. Hold on one second. It's pulling it up. All right, so there we go. And put in the word, blessing. There's 2 different types of codes, so that's why I'm walking you through one by one. All right, I misspelled it, ING, and click apply. And you can see there's a discount because these are both the same price. Ocean Wave and Simplicity are both the same price. And this is the question that comes up quite often. Well, which one would you go with first? Well, if it was me, being honest, I would always go with the Ocean Wave first because the market tends to like trending more than it does reversals. So if you had to start with learning one of the systems, I would get the Ocean Wave. But what will be smarter, if it was me, this is just me, I would go get that $100 discount because you're getting 50 off of the first one and 50 off of the second one. And you can always save the second one and just not use it yet. Master the first one, but now you already got the second one, which you see me doing in class every single week for midweek reversals. You see me using Simplicity. There's a reason why, because the market trends, but then it also reverses. It trends and reverses. So I got access to 2 different systems because I want to go with when the market is doing 2 different things. Okay? One strategy don't work when the market want to go in another direction. This is why some of you guys never make a profit because you're trying to use one strategy all the time when the market is actually doing 2 different behaviors. Sometimes it's doing trending and sometimes it's doing reversals. So you have to have something to be able to spot the difference, okay? So what would I actually do? I would get both of them at the same time while they're at discount, okay? But I will only study one at a time. Because by the time you say, okay, I'm ready to get the second one, there won't be a discount. And then you end up paying full price, okay? So that's what I would actually do. But again, You guys are grown. I can't tell you what to do. I'm just simply sharing the truth about what I do if I was in your shoes. And truth be told, some of you guys, you can paid a lot more for one trading system that never worked, no coaching or anything else. And then to charge you $1,500 and you happily paid it. $600, you happily paid it. $2,000 for a course and you happily paid it. And you walked away and still don't know nothing. Well, at least you got 2 trading systems. Plus, every week you can be in class with me for free. Every week. So not only do you get coaching at no cost, but you're getting 2 of my systems at a discount at the same time. So that's the bargain in my opinion, but do what you want. Okay, let's move on to the next discounts. All right, so next we got the scanner for the Simplicity system. Now, here's the other question. Keep in mind, is there a scanner that comes with the Ocean Wave? Yes. If you look right here, see, it comes with a scanner. So the Ocean Wave does come with a scanner. So when it finds setups, when the arrow comes out, the scanner will send you an alert and you can easily just go back and see whether it matches the rules or not. It's really that simple. Don't complicate it. Okay. But now the Simplicity system comes with a separate scanner, and that's because, that's when we built it at the time. It's separate. So you can get this one at a half off discount. Half off the scanner. Okay. And it actually has a bonus trading system with it. So it's not just the scanner. You get a bonus trading system with it. And the code is written right here. So you don't have to figure out, well, what's the second code? It's right here for 50% off. See, use this discount code to get 50% off. So if you go down here, just copy it and paste it in. Simplicity 54. And voila. See, it took half of the price off. You're getting it half off. That's cool. Okay. Now, the last one is the Too Easy system, which also is our customized strength meter, and it comes with a bonus trading system as well. Okay. Now, it was already dirt cheap, to be honest with you guys. It was only $99, but again, use the same exact code, Simplicity54, put it in the discount box, and it was only $100. Watch this. You're going to get it for half off. And there you go. Oh, yeah, half off. See? There you go. Well, it's more than that. I gotta fix that. I'm giving it away for $15. No. All right, I gotta fix that. So anyway, I'll use the same code, but I'll fix that discount because it's only supposed to be 50% off, not 50, all the way down to 15. Okay. So anyway, it'll be 50% off, so it'll be like $54. Okay, something like that. All right. Glad I tested this while I'm doing this video. Dang. They'd be like, dang, Uncle P, that's really a holiday discount. No, I ain't that generous. All right, cool. So anyway, I hope that answers all the questions in detail. I will be doing other, faster videos throughout the week to promote the discount. And it starts the moment you see this video, and it will stop. I'm not sure. I may let it run up until Christmas, but, some of y'all like to procrastinate. And I'm already losing, so we'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, here's what I will say. The moment you see this video, you should do a snatch and grab. Because I'm really just being nice because we got several people who watch my videos over the weekend on how I mark up or do my back testing, which I hope you guys are learning something special from that on how I actually do back testing, going back 6 months and all this stuff that's really completely stupid. Because you had no way of knowing whether a news event was the reason why the trade lost or anything else. You don't even know. So it's not fair. But if you're going week to week, looking back with the exact same trading system, which you can clearly see, okay, this really did happen last week. And I get to see the news events that impacted it. So I can not only see how the systems work, but I also get to see how they reacted to news events. See, that's smarter to do it 1 to 2 weeks backwards. 6 months, you don't even know what happened. Could have been interest rate news, could have been an announcement of a war, it could have been any kind of thing. Back in October. Who would have thought that there was going to be a war breakout in the Middle East with Israel and Hamas? Who knew that? But when you look at the charts and you're just going back testing, and you're looking at, oh, look at all this chaos on the charts. This indicator system must not have worked. No, you didn't take into account the events that happened. Was there interest rate news? Was there unemployment numbers? Was there NFP? Well, no, you never look at those things. That's why I disagree with it. So when you see in my Saturday videos, they're simply to show you, okay, here's authentically what actually happened. And either the system worked or it didn't. Okay? Everybody clear? If you like that part, type a 25 so I can make sure that you're still with me in the video. But I'm saying this is how you're able to see how my systems work. It's very transparent. Plus, on top of that, you're in my class. It's free. It's open to the public. Even if you don't buy anything, it's still open to the public. So you're still seeing me using my own systems live in class every single week. Okay. So that's why I said, here's the discounts for you guys. It is a blessing. So on Simplicity and Ocean Wave, use the word blessing. And on the other two, just simply use the discount code that you see on the website, which is Simplicity54, and that'll give you half off on the scanner and half off on the Too Easy system. All right, I'm wrapping this video up. It's time to go to bed, and I'm missing the Cowboy Philadelphia game for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.